Namaste friends, I am here with a beautiful square under the Granny Square series. It's named as Erica Square and it uses front post and back post doubles, and uh, it is categorized under experienced level crocheting. So let us go into the video immediately friends. Make a magic circle or magic ring and secure the yarn to start the work. So you can start with chain 3 or make a standing double. And 2 more doubles. Chain 3 doubles 3 more times. So make 3 more times, I shall get back. You come to the end of the round here, chain 1 and place a half double in the very first stitch that we made. I made the double crochet, hence I am going to pick up the yarn, that is the 2 loops. This one will hide behind, so we have to pick that up. Yes, so that we bring the yarn to the center of the corner. Now place 3 doubles in the corner. And place 1 front post double crochet in each of the next 3 DCs. That is, for front post, insert the hook from front to back behind the DC, pick up the yarn, pull through and complete the DC. Again, front to back. And in the corner, 3 doubles, chain 3 doubles. So this is the stitch repeat. You will be placing front post DCs on the 3 DCs that we did, and in the corner 3 double, chain 3 double. Continue all around. I shall meet you where I began here. You come to the end of this round here, place 3 doubles. So here we have began with 3 doubles, we are ending with 3 doubles. Now chain 1 and half double in the first stitch or the third chain of the 3 chains if you have made 3 chains. And again begin this corner with 3 half doubles, that is the half corner. And now we are going to do 3 back posts, 1 on each of them. So to do the back post, yarn or back post DC we are doing, yarn over the hook. Now insert the hook from behind to front and then go back behind the DC, next DC, pull up the yarn over, pull through to, yarn over, pull through to. This is back post DC. So 1 more. In the next 3 we'll be making the front post DCs. One in each of them. And in the next 3 again back post DCs. So when we make the back post DCs, you will notice that the stitches are brought forward here, so it makes a pattern. And again in the corner 3 DC, chain 3 DC. So every side you begin with 3 back post doubles, 3 front post double, 3 back post double in the corner, 3 double, chain 3, 3 double. So continue this pattern all around. I shall meet you where I began here in this part. Come to the end of the round here, place 3 doubles to complete the corner. If you want to make the square bigger, so you work back post, front post alternatingly over 3 stitches, and you can make the square bigger. I'm going to end it up here. The next round, it's going to be the last round. So chain 1, make a half double in the last stitch or the third chain of the 3 chains if you have made 3 chains. Now instead of 3 doubles, I'm going to make 2 doubles and start and end it up with a double here. 3 chains and a double, I'll end it up 1, 2, and place 1 double each on each of the stitches till the next corner. I shall place and get back. We come to the corner. In the corner, make 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles, and continue placing 1 DC each on each of the stitches and continue the pattern all around. I shall meet you where I began. You come to the end of the round here. I have placed my other 3 DCs. Now we started with 2 DCs and I have chained 3 here, and we need to place 1 more DC and then fasten off by slip stitching. Okay, this has become too loose. You cut the yarn, pull it out, and we'll be doing the invisible join. That is why I started with 2 doubles here instead of 3 doubles. And now from behind, here we go. This is the beautiful Erica square. So I have worked with Hobby Store 3014 baby cake iron yarn. This is a fast color changing yarn. So that is why it has taken its own hue. Well, thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you liked it. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Do like and share our videos too. Bye for now. Have a great day, friends.